Alright guys, you got your drawings. So now you got your drawings from your designer for your dental office. You're super excited. You give those out to your startup consultant or your startup coach or whoever it is, or you do it yourself, and you send those out for bid. Well, you get the bids, they come back, they're a little higher than normal. You're like, what the heck? You know, when I first talked to everybody, they told me it was going to come in at $100 a square foot. It's coming in at almost $200 a square foot. $100 more a square foot, what gives, you know? Okay, so you look at your budget that you have from your bank, because, you know, the bank holds all the cards. You're going through that. What you should be doing is VEing the project. What's VE? VE is value engineering. We do this on all our projects. No matter if they're spec'd out by an architect or a startup, some sort of startup person who's done the floor plan for you or whatever, whoever does it. Whoever we get the drawings from, we put it out for bid, we get the bid, then we go into value engineering. So we don't go to like you go order and then they tell you how much it is and then you just pay it. No, it's like going to buy the car, but less painful. You go, you like the car, they tell you how much the car is. Before they go back to the manager, back and forth and playing that stupid game, what we do is we do that one time. We'll get the bid. We'll find out what those numbers are. Remember we talked about qualifying the number? After we qualify those numbers and we get them down, then we say, okay, let's go into VE. How can we value engineer this thing down so that it can be in budget, so that way you guys can buy the nice dental equipment that's out there? So let's talk about that. Qualifying the numbers, but then value engineering. So then we say like, okay, the electric number's here, the plumbing number's here, the air conditioning number's here. What can we do to keep the practice to have the same look and finishes that it shows, but maybe value engineer some of the stuff down, scale it back a little bit without making the looks or the aesthetics suffer? You have to have that conversation with your guys, your startup guys. They have to be able to do that for you. It can get done. In some cases we've done it and have saved hundreds of thousands of dollars by VEing. Sometimes, you know, it's just, you know, a few $1,000s on every one of the MEPs. MEPs and video for another day. But saving those money, right? Saving money from that point. The finishes are what's going to drive your practice up the most. Those are the ones you have to value engineer the most. You know, what type of flooring, LVT, you know, tile, VCT, all that kind of stuff. So, you know, and how you want the finishes, right? So say you like this particular flooring, but you want it herringbone. Ouch. Looks great, super expensive, a lot of labor. All right, guys, remember, VE your project down. See you guys in the next one.